Hey guys, welcome to my channel Smart Home, where inspiration meets innovation. Whether you're here to learn, explore, or connect, you're in the right place. Are you looking for the best bread maker machines? Here are my full reviews of the best bread maker machines you can buy today. All the products are linked in the description below. So before starting this video, please like this video and subscribe to this channel for our future updates. Tune till the end. Let's get started. Number 1. Zojirushi Home Bakery Virtuoso Plus. If you're looking for a way to make delicious homemade loaves of bread with minimal effort, the Zojirushi Home Bakery Virtuoso Plus bread maker is one of the best appliances out there. It makes light and fluffy bread with a wonderfully crispy crust, and unlike many other bread machines, its loaves are in a classic horizontal shape, making it easy to slice. And if you want to bake homemade bread but don't want the hassle of kneading and proofing dough, a bread maker is a worthwhile investment for your kitchen. These countertop appliances take all the effort out of bread baking. All you have to do is load in the ingredients, and in a few hours, you'll have a freshly baked loaf of bread that's ready to serve. I've tested several popular bread makers in my career, and my all-time favorite model is the Zojirushi Home Bakery Virtuoso Plus bread maker. In fact, it's the one that I use in my own kitchen to this day. Number 2. Cuisinart Compact Automatic Bread Maker. The Cuisinart Compact Automatic Bread Maker is generally well regarded for its compact size, ease of use, and consistent results for simple loaves, with users appreciating its versatility for various bread types, including gluten-free options, and its ability to make dough for other baked goods. While it excels at basic recipes, some find it leaves a small hole from the kneading paddle, but overall customer satisfaction is high due to its reliability and fresh bread production. It doesn't take up much counter or cupboard space, making it a great option for smaller kitchens. Users find the machine intuitive and simple to operate, often dumping ingredients and letting the machine do the work. The bread maker produces consistent texture and quality in simple loaves, with many customers reporting perfect loaves every time. It offers various preset menu options, including settings for gluten-free and artisan breads. Number 3. Zojirushi Home Bakery Mini. Make your nights an even cozier with the Zojirushi Home Bakery Mini Bread Maker, a compact and user-friendly baking machine that is guaranteed to satisfy all your carb cravings. This mini bread maker is the most versatile of countertop appliances, as it's able to make not only 1-pound loaves of bread, but cookie dough, pasta dough, and even fresh fruit jam. Its LCD control panel is easy to read and has many options and features to choose from. Use the Zojirushi Home Bakery Mini Bread Maker's crust control to choose either a regular or light crust and select from 3 different bread textures: regular, firm, or soft. You can use the integrated timer to ensure your bread cooks fully, but if you're especially hungry and impatient, use the quick baking cycle for a warm loaf finished in just under 2 hours. There's even a 13-hour delay timer that allows you to set your bread to bake overnight so it's ready for a delicious breakfast in the morning. Number 4. Panasonic Bread Machine. The Panasonic models are tall and the entire lid opens upwards, so they need a lot of clearance. I'd anticipated putting the bread maker on a countertop that has cupboards above it, but I wouldn't have been able to open the lid. Instead, the bread maker now has its own dedicated table, as if it's some kind of kitchen appliance royalty. I bought my bread maker back in 2015 and it's been lightly used, although that's changed now we're in COVID-19 lockdown. I'm probably making a loaf a week, and I've discovered that I like using the bread maker just to make dough rather than making and baking a loaf from start to finish. Baking the dough in an oven means that I can choose how to shape the dough and I get a better, crispier crust. First things first, I bought this machine for its sourdough capabilities. Panasonic enlisted Rachel Allen to make a series of videos using this bread maker, which I found useful and reassuring. Number 5. Breville Custom Loaf Bread Maker. The Breville Custom Loaf Bread Maker is a versatile machine with a large capacity loaf tin, manual and automatic programs, the option for custom settings, and an easy-to-view LCD display with an ingenious light-up window to view what's going on inside. The Breville Custom Loaf Bread Maker is a substantial bread maker that delivers a sizable loaf, with the most even results achieved when making the largest bake at 2.5 pounds. Its large capacity makes it the best bread machine for families. Although it still performs well when making smaller loaves, the taste and texture remain consistent. The only downside is that its shape is not as even. Its size makes the appliance on the bulky side, and it may be awkward to fit into a cupboard, but there's no harm in keeping it out on the countertop to encourage you to use it regularly. Besides, its sleek brushed stainless steel finish makes for some real eye candy.